Hello and welcome to my new video about my new project. A DIY digital camera with a touchscreen, ESP32-S3, and a smart menu system. What can this camera do? Here I will first show you a small demo. The camera has photo and video modes, and it saves all photos and videos directly to the SD card through the ESP32-S3. It also has a gallery menu, an IP camera mode where you can live stream directly to your phone or PC over a Wi-Fi network, and a settings menu where you can adjust everything like time, date, Wi-Fi connection for IP camera mode, time synchronization, touchscreen calibration, flash LED brightness settings, and much more. You can upload the code directly to your ESP32 from my website using the project link that I leave below, without any additional software or anything else you need. After that, I recommend first building everything on a breadboard. This will also help you understand everything better. Then you can directly start the project if everything works correctly. First, I start with my base PCB. I designed a 3D printed case for this PCB, so everything stays organized inside the camera, and there are no connection issues. First, I prepare the pin headers for the ESP32-S3, and solder everything onto the PCB in the correct places for my case and microcontroller. After that, the first thing I solder is a 2000 micro F capacitor, so I can get stable voltage after the 3.3V step-down regulator. Do not forget, with the TP4056, we have 4.2V, 4.4V output when the battery is fully charged, but the regulator only starts working properly from 4.5V. If you want full performance, you should also solder a 2000 micro F capacitor directly to the battery output of the TP4056, so everything always works smoothly. Next come the GND and 3.3V connections for my ESP32-S3 board. These are marked on the DIY prototyping PCB, so follow the drawings carefully to avoid problems later, because all the other parts will also get power from these pins. After that, I work on the KY040 Rotary encoder module for controlling the camera. First, check the correct position inside the camera case, then simply solder it to the PCB like I show. It is not difficult, just pay attention to the PCB orientation. It is better if you first print the case and then solder the parts. You can do it exactly like I did or place the parts somewhere else as long as everything fits inside the case and works correctly. Now comes the power supply section with the TP4056. For all parts that will be mounted inside the case, I used white JST connectors so that if any part breaks, it can easily be replaced and assembly becomes easier. But for parts like the 3.3V DC-DC step-down regulator, I already prepared a place on the PCB and soldered it directly. Again, on this 3.3V step-down module, you connect GND and VCC from the TP4056 directly to the step-down converter. And from VOUT, you connect directly to the PCB positive pin, while GND is shared with the negative line. Next comes the TFT display. With the TFT, you have more work. I desoldered all the TFT screen header pins and used wires instead because pin headers are unstable, and it must always work reliably. After soldering all wires to the screen, I clean all soldering residue using cleaning solution. On the PCB, I also add a pin header connector for the flash LED. After that, I install all the white JST connectors for the screen, because I mount the screen on the other side of the case, and I do not want problems during assembly. But you can also solder everything directly. Just leave enough cable length and pay attention to the pins as I described on my website. Then I start making all the connections between the components and the ESP32-S3. Pay attention to the correct pin connections and correct VCC and GND pins. After that, I can connect the TFT and test everything once. But it is better to secure the TFT wires with hot glue so the wires do not come loose when the screen moves a lot before final assembly.
Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join.
Now I have connected the screen and the power supply, and everything works. Here you can see the final version of my 3D printed case design. For the flash LED section, I use transparent filament, but if you do not have that, you can use white filament. It will not be as bright, but it still works. First, I mount the camera lens, then the flash LED light. These are 38mm linear LEDs, and you can find them in my shop or online. They do not have plus or minus markings, so first make sure which pin is which, place them in the same direction, and then solder them. Also connect two small wires to the LEDs. Since I already have a connector for them on the board, I add female JST connectors to my LED wires. But again, you can solder them directly to the PCB or MCU if you want.
Truth gon' surface every time, even when no dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million God. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a reel, seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard, living like a movie. But the credits never roll, they gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an ache. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror on the wall. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when they won't catch this. Not scriptures, they won't clout.
Now it is time to assemble everything and finish the device. Every part has its own place, so if you need force to fit something inside, then you probably did something wrong. First, quickly double-check everything.
I reflect, I don't fear, I dissect, yeah. Every verse got a little confession, like every scar, just a deeper question.
After that, you can mount the battery holder onto the front side of the case using hot glue. I also used a small battery level indicator board that you can mount directly onto the switch and place next to the battery holder. Later, I also added a button so that when you press and hold it, you can see how much battery is left. Why did I use this module instead of an ESP32-S3 pin and a battery icon on the display? Because I do not have any free pins left, and using other pins creates conflicts between the camera and display. This is a simple and practical solution. Now secure everything with hot glue and screw the screen onto the front case. After that, I can connect the screen to the board and fully assemble everything.
Moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed. But tonight, the world's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me. Plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me. Plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how I always mine. Someone left the radio.
If you placed everything correctly and mounted the button for the battery indicator module, everything should look like this. Then you can screw the case together. All screw holes are for M2 and M3 screws. You need around 10 M2 screws and 10 M3 screws. I also designed a special stand and holder for it, so you can even use it as a webcam. You only need to connect the camera to Wi-Fi and search for cameras on your PC, or directly enter the IP address shown in the settings info menu into your browser.
Yeah, the porch light burn uneven, keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today. Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
The SD card is a little difficult to replace, but that is okay because this is a hobby project. I did not want to make the design unnecessarily complicated. Here you can see how the whole project works, but I do not want to show too much more. It is better if you build it yourself and discover all the features of the camera on your own. Please write your opinion in the comments and subscribe to my channel for more.
Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun